Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all sweet friends are good. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. So friends, first of all, thank you so much for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you step-by-step beautiful waterfall hairstyles ideas. So friends, don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, unique and decent. I hope you all love these type of beautiful hairstyles ideas. Your beauty is depend on your hairstyles, friends, so be carefully. Select your favorite one and apply on your hairs for more cute and gorgeous look. So before share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful hairstyles ideas, I really hope that they will love this beautiful collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and hairstyles. So in this video you will see different hairstyles and different decent and unique waterfall designs ideas. You can apply these hairstyles on your hairs for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass hairstyles, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your hairstyles. So my lovely friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. So my YouTube community, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. So friends, if you love these beautiful ideas, and if you want more design, watching my previous videos, because all designs are so unique. Bye bye.